In a recent survey, 20% of 18 to 55-year-olds in the UK thought that the Geordie accent was the second hardest accent in the UK. Can you imagine?
And do you know what? Most people would.
Today we're going to see if you can understand the Geordie accent too. So first, a bit of background. Newcastle is in the northeast of England. It's also called Tyneside, this whole area. Now my question to you is, what does Ant say here? Because I've got recordings from both Ant and Dec from
Britain's Got Talent.
So does he say just been in London or just being in London? Let's find out.
She found it hard just being in London.
So did you guess? He says...
She found it hard just being in London.
When I say it, I say being, but he says bein. Now, also in that clip, did you hear how he said the word London?
London. London.
He certainly doesn't say London, because the fact is, in the Geordie accent, there is no sound, just like in the Scouse accent, which I've done a video just recently on. So let's listen to how he says it.
London.
Yeah, did you get it? I'll put the phonemic script as well just here. Now let's move on to Dec, who's the other guy. Now, Ant and Dec were in a famous program. Do you know what the famous program was many years ago? It was called
Biker Grove.
Biker Grove.
Now the top TV tip is, in fact, why don't you try and find old episodes of Biker Grove? You can just put in Ant and Dec, Biker Grove, and I'm sure someone has uploaded somewhere some episodes of Biker Grove for you to watch, and then you'll see their accents in situ in the Newcastle area. Now that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on the Geordie accent. That's all it is today, a taster. And if you want to contact me through my website, I'll put the link in the description below for that as well. And why don't you put in the comments below, which do you think is the hardest UK accent? I'd love to hear from you, because I haven't told you what the #1 accent is, yeah? You can think about that as well. So, I had so much fun today talking about the Geordie accent. I hope you did too. In true Geordie style, we're going to sign off with the Geordie phrase, Gan canny man, which means goodbye. See you later, and don't forget, stay connected.